Hi students, good morning everybody. So in this video we are going to start our third supplementary lesson, The First Patient by C.V. Burgess. Okay, so this is a comic play by Mr. C.V. Burgess. So let us see about the author before entering into the play. So let us see about the author, Christopher Victor Burgess. It is the full name of C.V. Burgess. So Christopher Victor Burgess is known as C.V. Burgess. He is a humorous playwright. His situational humor intensifies the emotions of the characters in the play. His plays usually accommodate a number of characters. His famous works are Short Plays for Large Classes, Teach Yourself Speech Training, and Classroom Playhouse Verse in Action. Okay, so Christopher Victor Burgess is the full name of C.V. Burgess. He is a humorous playwright. Okay, playwright means one who writes plays is called as playwright. Humorous means filled with comedy, comic sense. Okay, so C.V. Burgess is a humorous playwright. His situational humor intensifies the emotions of the characters in the play. Okay, so his use of humor at the situations, that is at this part, will it will induce the emotions of the characters in the play. His plays usually accommodate a number of characters. So there will be many characters in his play. His famous works are Short Plays for Large Classes, Teach Yourself Speech Training, and Classroom Playhouse Verse in Action. So these were his famous plays. Okay, now let us get into the play. Let us see the warm-up. Given below is a list of tools and equipment. Associate them with the appropriate profession and complete the table. Okay, so they have given it without comma. Okay, so plow, hammer, oven, thermometer, voltmeter, wood, chisel, seed, drill, voltage detector, cutting boards, stone picker, spatula, cultivator, nail puller, wire stripers, framing square, fork, flashlight. Okay, so they have given list of tools and equipments, and they have given the professions like farming, carpenting, electrician, and a chef. You can match them. Okay, next one, play the role of any character. Read aloud to enjoy this amusing play where the unexpected turn of events along with the wild imagination add humor to the situation in a dentist clinic. Okay, so let us get into the amusing means interesting play. See, look at the characters in the play. So as we have seen in the author introduction, his plays will be filled with lots of characters. So here what are the characters? Men 1 to 8, that is man 1, man 2, man 3, man 4, like that. Women 1 to 8, that is women 1, women 2, women 3, like that. Dentist, nurse, little girl, small boy. Okay, so 8 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 characters are in this play. As we have seen in the author intro, that C.V. Burgess play will be filled with lots of characters. Okay, so here just they have named as man 1, man 2, women 1, women 2. They have not given specific names. Okay, so just you have to follow. See what is the scene is, when the curtain, so it is a play, right? So when the curtain rises, the following characters are seated in a dentist waiting room. So you know who is a dentist. Okay, dental doctor. Women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8 are waiting in the dentist waiting room. Waiting room means hospital pona நம்ம டாக்டர் பார்க்கறதுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருப்போம் இல்லையா, that is called as waiting room. Some of them are reading magazines or newspapers. So there are some patients, they are reading magazines or newspapers. Man 4. Okay, man 4 has a rough bandage tied around his jaw. So man 4 என்ன பண்ணிருக்காரு, he had tied a rough bandage around his jaw. What is mean by jaw? Lower portion of our below our mouth, the third in சொல்லுவோம், that is called as jaw. he is holding the bandage and groaning. So he is holding the bandage with his hand and he is groaning due to pain. Okay. So what is mean by groaning? So making some sound due to the pain. That is called as groaning. That is crying in pain. Man 3, women 5 and women 6 are just entering the waiting room. So man 3, women 5 and women 6 are just entering into the waiting room. Okay, this is the scene. So women 1 to 8 and men 1 to 8 are waiting in the dentist waiting room. So man 4 has a rough bandage around his jaw and he is crying in pain. So man 3, women 5 and women 6 are just entering the waiting room. So women 5, we will have some time to wait before the dentist sees us, dear. So what women, so this women 5 is a peculiar comic character in this play. Okay, so what she is telling us, we will have some time to wait before the dentist sees us, dear. So we are having some, we have to wait some time before the dentist is coming. So what is the character of this women 5 is, she'll be always having some photographs to show to someone. Okay, எப்போவுமே என்ன பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, she'll be having photographs in her handbag. So she'll be showing the photographs to the neighbor. That is her habit. Okay. So women 6 is telling, so I see. Okay. Women 5, but I will show you some of my holiday photographs to pass the time. So what women 5 is telling, I will show you some holiday photographs for time pass. Now man 3, women 5 and women 6 are sitting. Women 5 takes a packet of photographs from her handbag. Throughout the play she concentrates on showing her photograph. So as I said already, throughout this lesson, throughout this play, she will be very much concentrated only on showing the photographs because it is her habit. Now man 5 is asking, what time do you make it, Jack? So he is asking to Jack. Who is Jack? Man 6 is Jack. So he is asking to Jack, what is the time now? Almost 8:30. The dentist should be along any moment now. So the time is almost 8:30. So the dentist will be coming very shortly. Who is replying? Man 6. Women 6, isn't it a dreadful hour of the morning to see a dentist? I am not half awake yet. So what she is telling us, isn't it a dreadful moment? So what is mean by dreadful? Dreadful means we can have the meaning fearful also, but here the meaning is it is extremely bad. What women 6 is telling, it is really bad to wait for a dentist in the morning because during the morning we have lots of work to do, and also I am not half awake yet. I know half sleepy mindliye iruken. Who is telling women 6? Man 5, I hope he won't be long. So what man 5 is telling is definitely he'll be coming very shortly. He will not make us to wait for a long time. I am going to be late for work anyway. So anyhow I am going to be late for my work. That is for my job. எப்படி என்னோட வேலைக்கு நான் லேட்டாக தான் போக போகிறேன். What man 6 is telling, something should be done about dental house. I have always said so and I will go on saying so. Okay, what man 6 is telling us, something should be made on, something should be done about dental house. Dental house means definitely something should be done to change the dental time. That is the, what is that, doctors will be having some specific time to meet the patients இல்லையா. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இந்த டென்டிஸ்டோட டைமிங்கில் ஒரு சேஞ்ச் கொண்டு வரணும். ஐ எம் ஆல்வேஸ் இன்சிஸ்டிங் த டாக்டர் and I'll be keeping on insisting. So this is man 6 reply. Why he is telling like that is because morning வந்து எல்லாரும் வெயிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறதுங்கிறது because they'll have different jobs to do, they will have different works to do. So hospital they cannot spend time இல்லையா, that's why they are discussing like that. Now who is entering? A nurse is entering. Women 6, good, the dentist should not be long now. So what women 6 is telling, the dentist will not take long time to come. Definitely he will be coming very soon. Women 5 is telling, And this is one of the boarding houses at Wadling on. Okay. And this is one of the boarding houses. So who is women 5? A lady who always concentrates on showing the photographs. And this is one of the boarding houses at Wadling on Sea. Our boarding house. Those are the steps I fell up. We nearly died laughing. Okay. So she's showing one of the photograph, and what she's telling, this is one of the boarding house at Wadling on Sea. It is the place. Our boarding house, இது எங்களோட boarding house. Those are the steps I fell up. இந்த ஸ்டெப்ஸில் தான் நான் என்ன பண்ணிட்டேன், I have fallen down while walking. We nearly died laughing. Okay, so நான் விழுந்ததை பார்த்து everyone had laughed a lot. Okay, they had a heartily laugh. Everyone laughed a lot. So by showing a photograph, she is telling all this to the neighbors. Women 6. It looks quite a nice place. So by seeing the photograph, what women 6 is telling, it is looking very beautiful. That place is looking very beautiful. Again, woman 5 is telling, oh, it was. Yes, it is a beautiful place, and the landlady was a dear. Okay, so and she shows her landlady's photograph, and she tells that she is also a beautiful person. Women 5 shows another photograph. This is one of hers. Hers means here landlady. இதுதான் women ladyயோட one of the landladyயோட one of the photograph. You can't quite see her face. So in this photograph you cannot see her face because you see my finger got in the way, but she has such a nice face. Okay. So what she is telling, in the photograph la ungalோட face clear-ஆ தெரியாது. Why? Because my finger had hidden her face, but she has a very beautiful face. Who is telling? Women 5 is telling to women 6. So women 6 is replying, I am sure she was. Yes, definitely she might be a beautiful lady. Now who is entering? Women 7, and the little girl is entering. Who is women 7? So women 7's daughter is the little girl. Okay. Oh, do come along, Dorothea. So who is telling? So Dorothea is the daughter of women 7. Little girl is telling, I don't want to see the dentist. I won't. What little girl is telling? No, I don't want to see the dentist. Women 7 is what her mother is telling us. Now, Dorothea, remember what your daddy said. If you won't have your teeth seen to, no more ice lollies. Okay, so what she is telling is, what she is telling to her daughter is, remember what your father had said. So if you are not visiting the dentist, we will not buy you any more ice lollies. Ice lollies means like ice cream. Okay, it is like an ice cream, stick ice cream. Little girl, I don't want any ice lollies. So what she is replying, I don't want any ice lollies. I don't want to visit the dentist. The little girl is dragged to her seat by women 7. She sits weeping. Man 4 groans loudly. Okay, the little girl is dragged to her seat by women 7. Okay, little girl என்ன பண்றாங்க, அவங்களோட mom dragged means pulling, இழுத்துட்டு வருது. Okay, she sits weeping. The girl is sitting weeping. Now who is man 4? Man 4 is groaning, that is crying in pain loudly. Who is man 4? The person who had tied a bandage around his mouth. Women 4, here is the dentist. Okay, and women 3 is replying, and about time too. Okay, so women 4 is telling doctor had come. Women 3 என்ன சொல்றாங்க, yes இதே டாக்டர் வர டைம் தான். Enters dentist. Dentist is entering in. Dentist is telling, could I have the first patient please? Okay, so what the dentist is telling, can I meet the first patient? Exit dentist into surgery. Okay, so dentist is entering into his room. Women, that's you, Joe. What women is telling? Now he is telling to one person called Joe. Joe என்ன சொல்றாங்க, you have to go inside first to meet the doctor. Man 1 and women 1 are standing. Man 1, yes, that's me. So who is Joe na? Man 1 oda name da Joe. Yes, that's me. have to visit the doctor first. Women 1, what women 1 is telling, now make sure he pulls out the right one, Joe. Okay, women 1 என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, ப்ளீஸ் பி ஷுர் தட் ஹீ இஸ் புல்லிங் த ரைட் டூத். ஸோ கரெக்டான பல்ல தான் அவங்க பிடுங்குறாங்களா அப்படிங்கிறது ரொம்ப கன்ஃபார்ம் பண்ணிக்கோ. மேன் 1 இஸ் டெல்லிங் எஸ் ஐ வில். விமன் when goodbye Joe, I will wait for you. Exit man 1 into surgery, women 1 sit. So man 1 is going to meet the doctor and women 1 is sitting. ஸோ டென்டிஸ்டோட ரூமு ஏன் சர்ஜரின்னு சொல்கிறாங்கன்னா, பிகாஸ் தேல் பி டூயிங் ஆல் த திங்ஸ் இன் தட் ரூம் இட் செல்ஃப். அங்கே ஒரு சேர் இருக்கும். ஸோ தேல் பி செக்கிங் த டீத் அண்ட் புல்லிங் த டீத், எவ்ரி திங் வில் பி டன் இன் த சேர் இல்லையா. தட்ஸ் வை தட் ரூம் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் சர்ஜரி. ஓகே. Women 2, I believe the dentist is ever so good. What women 2 is telling is, I believe that he is definitely a good dental doctor. Women 3, yes, he took out 6 for Mrs. Johnstone and she never felt a thing. Okay, so what women 3 is telling, the doctor had pulled 6 tooth for whom? Mrs. Johnstone, and she never felt a thing. அவங்க எந்த கம்ப்ளைண்ட்மே சொன்னதில்லை. 6 teeth அவங்க என்ன பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, ரிமூவ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க ஜான்ஸ்டானுக்கு. பட் ஷீ நெவர் கம்ப்ளைண்ட் ஆஃப் எனி திங். என்டர் விமன் 8 வித் எ ஸ்மால் பாய். நவ் விமன் 8 இஸ் என்ட்ரிங் வித் எ ஸ்மால் பாய். விமன் 8, நவ் Morris. So what is the name of that small boy? Already we have seen in the characters, a little girl and a small boy பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா. So who is the little girl? Dorothea is the little girl. Now who is the small boy? Morris is the small boy. Now Morris, there is nothing to be afraid of. Okay, nothing to worry about. Small boy, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid. Women 8 is telling, just a little pull and ever such a, okay, just a little pull and ever such a weeny tug and all the pain will be gone. Okay, so just a little pull. So the doctor will give just a little pull and ever such a weeny tug. So weeny tug means very small pull without any pain, and all the pain will be gone and your tooth pain will be gone away. Who is telling? Women 8. So small boy is telling, there is no need to treat me like a baby. So அவங்க women 8 என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, சின்னதாக ஒரு வலி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ எல்லாம் உன்னோட டூத் பெயின் எல்லாம் போயிடும். டோன்ட் வரி, ஷீ இஸ் டெல்லிங். பட் ஸ்மால் பாய் என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, டோன்ட் ட்ரீட் மீ லைக் அ பேபி. சும்மா என்ன சின்ன பையன் மாதிரிலாம் ட்ரீட் பண்ணாதீங்க. ஓகே, I am not afraid of a dentist. I don't have any fear of dentist. Women 8, now sit down quietly Morris, and I am sure the nice dentist won't be long. Okay, so sit down quietly Morris. So sit down quietly. The dentist will not make us to wait for a long time. And now small boy, I think I will get a magazine. I feel like reading. So what the small boy is telling, I feel like reading, so I want a magazine. எனக்கு ஏதாவது படிக்கணும் போல இருக்கு. So just I want a magazine. The small boy goes to the table and looks through the pile of magazines and newspapers. So there in the table, pile of newspapers, magazines. A pile of magazines என்ன இப்படி அடுக்கி அடுக்கி வச்சிருக்கிறது magazines. That is pile. This is called as pile. Okay. So there in the tape, looks through the pile of magazines and newspapers. Women 8 is telling, all right dear, just as you like. Okay, so as you like, you can take and read the newspaper. Who is telling? Women 8. Now women 8 sits, she is sitting. Man 5. So man 5 is telling, I am going to ask for gas. So when I am going to meet the doctor, I am going to ask for gas. Gas means anesthesia here. So ஏதாவது சர்ஜரி, ஏதாவது பெயின்ஃபுல்லாக ஏதாவது பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி what the doctors will do, they will give anesthesia இல்லையா. ஸோ மயக்க மருந்துன்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, that is called as anesthesia. I am going to ask for gas. I will never forget the last time. So last time when my teeth was removed Okay, when my tooth was removed, I felt very painful. So this time I am going to ask for anesthesia. Who is telling? Man 5. Now man 1 is speaking. What he is telling? I knew a chap once. He asked for gas. It was the last time he ever asked for anything. So I knew a person. He asked for gas. So he also asked for anesthesia. But after that he never asked for anesthesia. Now man 2 is asking, is that a fact? அப்படியா அது உண்மையா? Enter nurse from the surgery. She walks across the stage and exits left. Okay, so she is walking. So it is actually a play. Okay, so play means it will be performed on the stage. So you have to that's why இந்த மாதிரிலாம் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. You have to imagine that this play is performed on a stage. So நம்ம drama annual day programல drama பண்ணோம்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? We will be changing all the scenes இல்லையா? So like that play means in those days it will be performed in the theaters and in the open stages, and in the stages people will be coming and sitting and they will be watching it. Okay. So man 4, I should not ask for gas or any of these drugs either. It's unnatural, I say. Give me the old-fashioned methods. So what man 4 is telling, I will not ask for all this anesthesia. Just I will remove my teeth by old-fashioned methods. That is by following the doctor's way itself. Man 5 is telling, you can have them. I will have it without the pain. Yes, you can have them. So definitely I can remove my teeth without the pain. Women 5, and you will love this one, dear. Who is women 5? The person who is always showing the photographs. So she is telling, you will love to see this photograph. I am sure I will. Yes, I will. I love to see this photograph. Who is telling? Women 6. Women 5. It's one of me riding a donkey along the stands. Again she is showing a picture and she is telling, it is me who is riding a donkey on the sand. Women 6 is, after seeing the photograph, women 6 is telling, how I say. Women 5, isn't it a scream, dear? I sat on it in the wrong way around just for the laugh. Okay, so here scream means a funny thing. Isn't it a scream? இது பார்க்க ரொம்ப ஃபன்னியாக இல்லையா? ஃபன்னியாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? I sat on it the wrong way around just for the laugh. So எல்லாரும் சிரிக்கணுங்கிறதுக்காகவே I had sat it on a wrong manner just for making fun. Now enter nurse left. So nurse is entering from the left side, ferrying a large hammer. So what she is bringing, ferrying means bringing. So what she is bringing a large hammer. Hammer na enna suthiyal. She crosses the stage and goes into the surgery. Okay, so she is entering into the doctor's room. இப்போ எல்லாருக்கும் ஒரு டவுட். So what is the purpose of a hammer in a doctor room? ஒரு டாக்டரோட ரூமில் what is the hammer for? What we will be using the hammer? For placing a nail. நெயில்னா என்ன? ஆணி சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா? So for only for placing the nail in the wall we will be using the hammer. So what is the purpose of a hammer inside the doctor's room? Everyone has a doubt. So man 6 is asking, was that a hammer she was carrying? அவங்க ஹேமரை எடுத்துகிட்டு போகிறாங்க. Man 7 is telling, I have seen dentists use some queer tools. Queer means strange tools. Dentist எல்லாம் ஒரு டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான டூல்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணுறதை நான் பார்த்துருக்கேன். Who is telling? Man 7. Man 6 is telling, well, if it was not a hammer, I should be attending an eye specialist and not a dentist. So அது ஒரு ஹேமர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா definitely I should attend a eye specialist and not a dentist. So அது என்னோட கண்ணுக்கு ஹேமர் மாதிரி தான் தெரிஞ்சது. Suppose if it is not a hammer, definitely I should attend an eye specialist and not a dentist. ஸோ அது ஹேமர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா எனக்கு கண்ணில் தான் ப்ராப்ளம். ஸோ நான் வந்து டென்டிஸ்ட்டை பார்க்குறதுக்கு பதிலாக ஐ ஷுட் அட்டெண்ட் த ஐ ஸ்பெஷலிஸ்ட். ஓகே. Women 5, I hope he is not going to use it. So what women 5 is telling, I believe definitely he is not going to use the hammer for pulling the teeth. It's a peculiar thing to have in a surgery. So what man 3 is telling is, ஒரு சர்ஜரி டாக்டரோட ஒரு டென்டிஸ்டோட ரூம்குள்ளே ஒரு ஹேமர் இருக்கணுங்கிறது இட் இஸ் டெஃபினெட்லி எ பெக்கூலியர் திங். ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக there is no need for them to use the hammer. The sound of hammering is heard from the surgery. Everyone looks at the surgery door and then at one another. Okay, the sound of hammering. Hammering na hammer. So suppose if we are placing a nail in the wall using the hammer, enna agum? We will hear the sound of hammering, illaya? So like that, the sound of hammering is heard from the room, from inside the room. Everyone is shocked at one another and they are just looking at one another. Women 1, oh Joe, my poor Joe, oh what will I do? Okay, what women is like, yaar ulla irukanga? Man 1. Who is the, what is the name of the man 1? Joe, illaya? So she is worried what would have happened to Joe. Women 2, I should not worry. The dentist probably knows what he is doing. I should not worry. Okay, so I will not worry. I should not worry because the dentist knows what he is doing. அவர் கண்டிப்பாக அவர் என்ன பண்ணுறாருன்னு தெரியும். Women 1, yes, but does Joe? Surely he is not hammering on poor Joe's tooth. Okay, but உள்ள ஜோ இருக்காரு. So I am worried about Joe. I am very sure அவர் ஜோவோட டீத்தை தான் he is not pulling using the hammer. I am sure about that. Who is telling? Women 1. Now women 2. Now sit down and don't excite yourself. I am sure Joe is quite all right. So she is telling to women 1, don't worry, don't get excited. I am sure that Joe is very well, very fine. Women 1 says, there is more hammering from the surgery. Women 1 is about to stand, but women 2 restrains her. Restrains means stops her. Okay. Women 1 is sitting. There is a more hammering sound heard from the surgery, from inside the doctor's room. Women 1 is about to stand. So women 1 எழுந்திருக்க ட்ரை பண்ணுறாங்க, but women 2 is stopping her from standing. Women 2, there dear, do sit down quietly. So my dear, who she is telling to whom? She is telling to women 1. So please sit down quietly, nothing will happen to Joe. Man 5, I don't like the sound of that. So what man 5 is telling us, I don't like the sound of the hammer from inside the doctor's room. Man 4, I should not worry, these dentists know what they are doing, I hope. So what man 4 is telling us, I should not worry because doctors know, dentists know what they are doing. I believe that dentists know what they are doing. Nurse enters from the surgery and walks across the stage and our left. Everyone watches her in silence. Nurse enters from the surgery. Now from the doctor's room, who is entering? Nurse is entering and walks across the stage and our left. So she is walking across the stage and she is going out left. Everyone watches the nurse in silence. Women 7 is telling, she did not look very worried anyway. So what women 7 is telling is, the nurse is not looking worried. So what women 8 is telling, no, it is the patient who worries. Okay, so what women 8 is telling, patient தான் worry பண்ணணும், nurse எதுக்கு worried-ஆ தெரியுவாங்க. Women 7 is telling, I say let him worry. Worry is natural. I never did it. It never did anyone any harm. See, look at the sentence. It is nice. I say let him worry. So worry பண்ணட்டும், no problem. Worrying is natural. It never did anyone any harm. So worry பண்ணுறது யாருக்கும் எப்பவுமே இந்த harmful effects-உம் create பண்ணதில்லை. So let him worry, no problem, because worry is a natural thing. Who is telling? Women 7. Women 1 is telling again, I wish you would not talk like that with my poor Joe in there, maybe writhing in agony. Okay, so நீங்கள்லாம் இப்படி பேசாதீங்க because my Joe is inside, maybe writhing. Writhing means agony means pain. So pain இருந்ததுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், will be twisting our body like this and like that இல்லையா, that is writhing in agony. Agony means with a severe pain. So my Joe is suffering with a severe pain inside. You all people don't talk like this. Who is telling women? 1. Now enter nurse left. She is carrying a large pair of pliers. இப்போ என்ன கொண்டு வராங்க, நர்ஸ் வெளியில் போயிட்டு she is bringing a large pair of pliers. Pliers means cutting pliers சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, இப்படி இருக்கும் இல்லையா. Okay, so she is bringing a large pair of cutting pliers. She walks across the stage and into the surgery. So she is entering into the doctor's room. Man 4 groans. So who is man 4? Beginning of the play lerinde he is crying in pain இல்லையா, and everyone groans after him. So in the hammer and then now cutting pliers இதெல்லாம் பார்த்த உடனே everyone is crying in pain. Women 1 watches in horror. Women 1 என்ன ஆயிட்டாங்க, she is almost very much shocked because who is inside? Joe is inside. Already she is shocked about the hammering sound. இப்போ இந்த cutting pliers பார்த்த உடனே she is almost very much shocked. She stands as the nurse exits into the surgery. So as the nurse is entering into the surgery with the cutting pliers, women 1 is standing to ask something to the nurse. Okay, but the nurse had entered into the surgery. Now women 1, no, it can't be true. They cannot do this to Joe, not to my Joe. So what women is telling, no, this is not true. So இதை நான் பார்க்குறது எதுவுமே it should not be a true thing. They cannot do this to Joe. Okay, so they should not do all these things to Joe. That is, they should not use hammer, cutting pliers, and the sound which hammering sound which I heard from inside the doctor's room. Everything should not be true. They cannot do all these things to my Joe. Who is worried? Women 1 is worried. Okay, so what we have seen today, we have seen a doctor's room. Patients are waiting outside. Doctor had came inside. Who is the first patient who is entering inside? Joe is the first person. Okay, so after the doctor and the patient are entering inside the room, the nurse is bringing hammer in the cutting pliers, and also the hammering sound is heard from inside the doctor's room. Okay, so women 1 is worried very much. Everyone is convincing her, don't worry, nothing will happen to Joe. So in between, women 5, who is women 5? She is a person who is always interested and excited in showing photographs to her neighbors. So she is showing the photographs, that is the pictures that she had kept inside her handbag one by one, and she is explaining about the picture. This is that, like that. She is explaining about the picture to her neighbors who are waiting to visit the doctor. And also we have seen a boy called Morris. So women 8 is convincing Morris, don't worry, it will not be painful, but he is telling, don't treat me like a baby. Okay, so I know what a dentist will do, so don't treat me like a baby. Who is telling? Morris is telling to his mother, that is women 8. Okay, now he is interested in reading magazines, and he is taking some magazines and he is reading that. Okay, now as the nurse is taking cutting pliers inside the surgery, women 1 is worried a lot. Okay, and everyone is convincing her. That is what we have seen till this. Hope every one of you have understood. It is just a play, you can understand. It is in the conversation type, so you can understand it very very easily. So after watching the video, நீங்களே once if you are reading this play till what I have taught, you can have a better understanding. Okay, I hope every one of you have understood. Thank you for watching. Thank you.